Welcome to this easy tutorial on creating a TikTok video using Canva. To start, open Canva and click on Create a Design. Search for TikTok video and select the video size you prefer to open a blank page. Next, on the left side, choose a template that suits your needs. Now, let's customize the design. Double-click on the text to personalize it and add some effects to make it more engaging. You can also go to the Upload section, click on Upload Files to upload your video. Drag and drop your uploaded video onto the existing video to replace it. Then, go to the Elements tab and search for Music. Find a suitable music track and drag it onto the timeline below the video. Adjust as needed. And there you have it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.